What a turn of events. What is going on, guys? I am back here with another video, and yes, unfortunately, the news is correct. We are getting rid of the 99 RS. So this is actually my second time filming this video because I realized the first time I filmed it in super view, so you could quite literally see everything, and it looked like a fisheye. So this is the second time we are running through this. I want to apologize for the lack of content. I made a promise to you guys that I was going to do every other week for an upload, and I ended up failing that. So I want to apologize. I have been very, very busy with my job. I've been very busy with my side projects. And whenever I do something, I don't care if it's my job, I don't care if it's something for my side projects, I don't care if I'm donating my time. What I like to do is give 100% no matter what it is. I don't necessarily like doing a lot of things at once because you give like 20% here, 20% there, 60%. I don't like doing that. Just like giving 100% with whatever I am working on, and that ended up being my side projects. So making content kind of took the back burner. So that is the reason why we have a lack of content. I will say I do have a couple videos ready to be uploaded. They just got to be finalized, and I got to look through them a little bit deeper. So we do have more content coming to your faces very, very soon. Getting on to the topic at hand, we are going to be getting rid of the 99 RS for good. Without going into too much detail, my fiance's father has been going through a little bit of a rough patch, and one of those things that happened going through these rough patches is his vehicle took a crap on it. With me having the vehicles that I have, we had the 99 RS, we had the 2002 WRX, we have a 2011 STI, and we have the 95 Toyota Celsior. I figured, why not just end up giving him the 99 RS? That is the reason why this car is going to be leaving a channel. It's going to a very, very good home, and it will be helping out someone very close to me. I don't know if any of you guys are going to be upset seeing the car go. I'm indifferent to it. I mainly bought the car as a daily driver because we had the 2002 WRX and I needed a second vehicle in case the bug eye ended up taking a crap on me. So this car has been my daily driver for the past year and a half, almost 2 years, and it has been absolutely great to me. Obviously we couldn't keep it stock. It is an automatic. We did end up putting lowering springs on it, and we upgraded the audio system, but other than that, it has been untouched, unmolested, and well, I shouldn't say that. If you guys didn't know, the automatic transmission ended up taking a crap on me, so this now has a fresh, brand new transmission, but it should treat the new owner very, very well for years to come. I do want to apologize. This video is going to be a little bit on the shorter side. The reason for that is this car is leaving my possession today, which is the day before you guys are going to be seeing this video. So I kind of had to crank this out very, very quickly, which is kind of the reason why we are making this video. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that is unfortunately going to end today's video. Like I said, it was going to be a very, very quick one, and I do apologize for that. I am going to try my very best to get back on my every other week upload schedule for you guys. I have 2 videos ready to be uploaded. Like I said, they just need to be finalized. But ladies and gentlemen, that is going to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously, if you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Say goodbye to the 99 RS, and I will see y'all in the next upload.